Welcome everyone to this in-depth review of the Amazon Basics Thunderbolt 4 USB4 Pro docking station, a versatile and travel-friendly hub designed to expand your laptop's connectivity and charging capability. In this review, we'll cover the product features, real-life performance, advantages, and a few minor drawbacks to keep you fully informed about this docking station. The Amazon Basics Pro docking station is engineered for users with heavy connectivity needs. Its design is compact, measuring just 7.86 by 2.95 by 1.23 inches, making it easy to slip into any laptop bag or carry-on. The docking station comes with a Thunderbolt 4 cable for connecting your device's port to the dock, so remember to use the provided cable for the best results. This device supports Thunderbolt and USB4 functionality, ensuring lightning-fast data transfers along with dual 4K at 60 Hz display support via two Thunderbolt 4 USB-C ports. However, do take note of the compatibility aspects, as your laptop's Thunderbolt ports, latest drivers and monitors must meet the requirements. On the power delivery front, the dock supports dynamic PD profiles up to 96 watts, which is great for charging your laptop and peripherals. Just keep in mind that if your laptop requires more than 96 watts, the overload protection might temporarily disconnect the ports. Additionally, it includes an HDMI 2.1 output supporting 8K at 30 Hz and an Ethernet RJ45 port capable of speeds up to 2.5 Gbps, which are excellent for heavy-duty tasks like high-definition streaming and large file transfers. One useful tip is to avoid connecting with the HDMI port first to prevent any resolution downgrade due to bandwidth limitations. In real-life scenarios, users often praise this docking station for its impressive performance and its capability to support dual display setups on compatible devices. It offers an intuitive and reliable solution for professionals requiring multiple peripheral connections during presentations, video conferencing, or content creation. However, as with many high-bandwidth devices, the performance might slightly decrease when multiple high-demand connections are used simultaneously, and the unit's temperature can rise up to 122 degrees Celsius for 50 degrees when fully loaded, a normal occurrence for such products. When compared to similar products in the market, the Amazon Basics Thunderbolt 4 USB4 Pro docking station stands out with its comprehensive feature set, competitive pricing, and compact design. To get the most out of this product, always ensure your laptop and peripherals meet the compatibility requirements. Update your drivers regularly and utilize high-quality cables for optimal performance. Overall, this docking station is an ideal choice for business professionals, creative professionals, and anyone who requires a robust and reliable connectivity hub. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this review helpful. Greetings to all our viewers, have a great day, and happy tech exploring.